Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are doing great. Welcome to my channel. Today we learn how to synchronize Bereal with Snapchat. So guys, this is very simple process. Everyone can do it very easily. So don't waste the time and let's get started the video and watch my video full without skipping. So first we tap on Chrome browser and tap on search bar and you search login Bereal account and little bit scroll down and tap on login Bereal, tap on profile and tap on my profile and you can see share option is here. Tap on share option and you can see you have to share Bereal account in your Snapchat friends and enjoy Bereal account. So yeah, I hope you like the video and this video is helpful for you. So guys, please subscribe my channel, like the video and leave the comment in below and don't forget to press the bell icon for new updates. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.